Okay. All right, go. Come here. Come here. Come here. See here? You know how to walk in those. Good boy. Good boy. Welcome back. As you can tell, winter has finally arrived. We are up in the Idaho Panhandle, probably about 4,000 feet elevation. Work has been crazy. Holidays are over now. So I just wanted to get up into the mountains and disconnect. Well, we just lost the sun. It was already pretty cold, but it's about to get a whole lot colder. We are going to probably get dinner going here in a little bit. Just keeping it nice and simple tonight. Just doing a can of soup. Temperature update as we are cooking dinner. 12 degrees. So we may have a problem. 7 degrees. It was supposed to get down to, I think, 14 tonight. And it's only 5:15. So the problem is the diesel heater runs on diesel. Diesel begins to coagulate and gel up at 15 degrees. So we're already past that. So if that happens, that's going to shut off the diesel heater. This is a lot colder than it was supposed to be. All right, let's see if it fires up. Boy, I am excited for winter camping, but this is a shock to the system. All right, come here, bud. Come on. Good boy. All right, lay down. Okay. All right. Beautiful, beautiful morning. With the sun up and the fire going, I'm surprisingly warm. It's still probably only about 10 degrees out right now. And we got down to 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So we just have a relaxing morning. Where are you gonna go? Lay down, lay down. Oh, you want to be on my lap. Okay, okay. Successful first winter camping trip. My only problem is the smoke from this fire is blowing in my face. You know what they say, smoke follows beauty. Maybe it's following you, Hudson. It's frozen. After only being outside for maybe 30 minutes. Do it the old-fashioned way. I mentioned we are keeping it simple on this quick trip. Breakfast, bringing back childhood memories. Hudson is in his zone right now. Aren't you, bud? Bring it here. What do you got there, bud? It's 28 degrees out, but I'm cooking right now. We're in the process of getting everything packed up. It's been a lazy morning. It's 10:30 right now. Just enjoying the views, enjoying the silence, solitude. Hudson over here chomping on a stick.